Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you're tuning in from around the globe. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. It is Easter,
Peace, blessings,
y'all.
financial freedom.
Thank y'all for tuning in. The market is closed, but we're finishing up our weekend sprints. That's what we're going to call them to get ready for next week. And these weekend sprints are just me creating 10-minute episodes for each of our $1 trillion tickers so we can know where we are at when it comes to price action. All right, so let's get into it, y'all. Next up on the list, we have Amazon. So let's go ahead and put the all-time high up here. There we go. And let's go to the weekly chart. Let's go to the line chart. And let's find where the price had big reaction. This looks like a double bottom here. So we'll go ahead and put a weekly level right there. There we go. Go ahead and roll that down to the nearest 10 cent. Looks like a nice rejection right here. Go ahead and roll that down. Okay. And then we have this previous bounce here. That's going to turn into rejection. There we go. Go ahead and roll that down. Alright. And we can put one more down here just in case we get some more downside. Because I think Trump was talking about another 48 hours for the Iran war to be over. So that is definitely going to add a lot of volatility to the market again. Alright, so there's a lot of chop in here. So let me just find the main area that it bounced right here. Excuse me. Go ahead and roll that up. There we go. Let's see, is there any more in here? Yeah, right there. We're almost at that level too. There we go. 210. Oh yeah, we super close to that thing. Okay. And then if we do get some upside, let's see. I like this support bounce area here. It's probably gonna turn to resistance. Okay, let's see what else we got. Another climb. I like that. I like how it reacted twice there. No, not here, but here. There we go. Let's see what else we got right here. Oh yeah, definitely previous all-time high. Very nice bounce on that. All right, and then let's find some more downside. Let's see what we got. Got anything in here? That's too close. It's still I like this one better actually, because when it did bounce on there, that thing went all the way up there. You feel me? So yeah, put it right there. There we go. Let me go ahead and roll that up. There we go. We get another downside level here. There we go. And then one last one. It's 201. There we go. All right, so that's what we got for Amazon. Then we go back to the candle, and you can see this crazy fall, y'all. This crazy fall. This is like a $50 drop in just like a couple weeks. And then we bounce and we sold off again. Good thing we didn't break this low, 196. Is that a gap right there? Hold on. Yes, it is. It's not filled yet either. It's almost filled though, but it is a gap, so let's go ahead and put it on here. There we go. It bounced. So there's a gap. Okay. So we got Amazon, current price 209.77. To the downside support, we got 207.70, 205.40, 203.10, 201. Then we got 199.30 weekly. And we got the gap down here at 196.04 to 194.72, followed by 191.60 weekly level. To the upside resistance, we do have this 210.10, this weekly, and then we can say the high of Thursday also 212.30, followed by 213.20, a weekly level, 215.70, 217.06, and 218.90 weekly level, followed by 221.30, 223.10, 226.50. All right, let's check out our SMAs. This is the 20, the 50, and the 200. So we're way under the 200. We're under the 50. We are right at the 20 SMA. So we're trying to get over the 20 and get back up above this 50 next week for some bullishness, but I don't know. Oh, this is the 400. So we're actually under the 400 SMA on Amazon. That is not good. That is very bearish. Very, very bearish. I should have put that in the title. Okay, let's see if we have any smart money concepts. Zones here. Nothing close to price on the daily anyway. All right, let's check out the Algo, see what we got. The Algo gave us a sell on this Friday push down, but it got faked out. Okay. So even the Algo gets faked out, just like humans do. All right, let's check out the 4 hours, see if there's anything more recent on the signals. We had a buy here at 5 a.m. on Tuesday. We had a closed signal here, but it did end up running up though. All right, that's what we got for Amazon. Yesterday I did a bunch of tickers. I did SPY, QQQ, NVIDIA, Apple, Google, Tesla, Microsoft. So after this, I'm going to do TSM, Meta, AVGO, BRK.B. Thanks for tuning in. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.